It's next probably that no natural to Marty Robbins. Council later. I told Mary all about I told her about her great sin. Mary cried and forgave. Mary took me back again. Said if I wanted my freedom, I could be free evermore. I don't wanna be, and I don't wanna still cry anymore. Devil woman, let go of me. Devil woman, let me be, and leave me alone. I wanna go home. Mary's waiting and weeping, dying a shack by the sea. Even after I've hurt her, Mary's still in love with me. Devil woman, it's over. Trapped no more by your charms. I don't want to stay, I wanna get away. I wanna let go of my arms. Oh, devil woman, devil woman, let go of me. Devil woman, let me be, leave me alone. I wanna go home. Devil woman, you're evil, like the dark coral breeze, like the wind that brings high tides. You bring sorrow and grief. You made me ashamed to face Mary. I barely had the strength to tell. Skies and nights of black. Mary took me back. Mary has broken your strength. Oh, devil woman, devil woman, let go of me. Devil woman, let me be, and leave me alone. I wanna go home. Running along by the seashore, running as fast as I can. Even the seagulls are happy, glad I'm coming home. Never again should I ever cause another tear to fall. Down the beach I see what belongs to me, the one I want most of all. Oh, devil woman, devil woman, let go of me. Devil woman, let me be, leave me alone. I wanna go home. Oh, devil woman, devil woman, don't follow me. Devil woman, let me be, and leave me alone. I'm going back home. Marty Robbins, Devil Woman. Ja, Devil Woman, warum verknallt man sich ein so was?